Hi everyone, today's headlines. Nearly 400 parliament staffers test COVID positive, attendance restricted. Yumkyung Tribal Council calls off agitation. Over 2.5 lakh toilets built under SBMG scheme in Nagaland. 1 killed and 3 injured in vehicle collision. Cyprus detects new Delta Cron COVID variant. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's photo to not appear on COVID vaccination certificate in 5 poll-bound states. News in details. Nearly 400 parliament staffers test COVID positive, attendance restricted. Nearly 400 staffers working with Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha secretaries and allied services have tested positive for COVID-19 in the last few days, triggering a move to impose restriction on employees' attendance. According to sources, 65 staffers of Rajya Sabha Secretariat, 200 of Lok Sabha Secretariat and 133 of allied services have tested positive for COVID-19 between January 4 to 8 during regular tests. The development comes days before the budget session of Parliament, which usually begins in the end of January. After the surge in cases among employees, the Rajya Sabha Secretariat has reimposed restriction on attendance of officials and staffers. According to the latest direction, 50% of the officials and staff below the rank of Under Secretariat or Executive Officer are required to work from home till the end of this month. Yumkyung Tribal Council calls off agitation. Yumkyung Tribal Council has called off the ongoing agitation for upgrading Shamadur subdivision to a district following an emergency meeting of YTC on Sunday. It said that the public would lay the matter of upgrading Shamadur to a district on the government and is expressed hope for a gentleman agreement with the state government. It further stated that all the Yumkyung inhabited administrative headquarters must be incorporated in the event of declaring Shamadur a district. YTC in a press statement also stated that on the request of MLA S. Koisho, the council suspended the notification served to Yumkyung NDPP party functionaries and 58 Shamadur Seshore AC MLA en masse resignation. YTC also reiterated its cooperation to MLA S. Koisho while the resignation tendered by YTC President Trongso Yumkyung would stand null and void and resume the office of president. YTC with immediate effect as appealed by all the Yumkyung villages and the frontal organization. Over 2.5 lakh toilets built under SBMG scheme in Nagaland. Nagaland has built 2,56,153 household toilets under Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin scheme from March 5, 2020 to January 6, 2022, according to data provided by the Chief Minister's dashboard. Out of total number of household toilets, Dimapur district had the highest number of toilets built so far with 38,359, followed by Pek with 29,751, Mon with 29,620, Tuensang with 28,888, Zunabada 27,985, Mogachang with 25,931, Kohima with 25,607, Kifri with 16,180, Peren with 13,482, Voka with 12,256 and Longleng with the least toilet built so far with 8,094. The data revealed that out of a total of 1,451 villages in the state, Dimapur had 241 open defecation-free villages followed by Zunabada with 191 while Longleng district reported the least with 50 villages as on January 6, 2022. 1 killed and 3 injured in vehicle collision. 1 person was killed and 3 others were injured in a road mishap at Lahorijan Karbi Anglong on January 9. The car they were traveling in was allegedly hit by an oncoming truck at NH29 near the cremation ground. According to sources, the victims were residents of Dimapur and were returning from Diopani when a truck hit the car head-on at around 2 to 2:30 p.m. The deceased victim, identified as Rohit Jaiswal, was driving and he succumbed on the way to hospital. The injured, a family of 3, survived with injuries and were admitted to a hospital in Dimapur. Cyprus detects new Delta Cron COVID variant. Cyprus has detected a new variant dubbed as Delta Cron that has a similar genetic background to the Delta variant coupled with 10 mutations from Omicron. The variant has already affected 25 people in Cyprus, according to Dr. Leonidas the head of the Laboratory of Biotechnology and Molecular Virology at the University of Cyprus. Of the 25 samples taken in Cyprus, 11 were hospitalized due to the virus, while 14 were from the general population, the Cyprus Mail reported. However, the new variant was not something to worry about at the moment. Cyprus Health Minister Michalis was quoted as saying, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's photo to not appear on COVID vaccination certificates in 5 poll-bound states. In compliance with the Model Code of Conduct norms, the Union Health Ministry has applied filters to COVID software to ensure Prime Minister Narendra Modi's photo does not appear on COVID-19 vaccination certificates in 5 poll-bound states, sources said on Sunday. The election dates for Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Goa and Manipur were announced by the Election Commission on January 8, 2021. The Health Ministry will apply necessary filters on the CoWIN platform to exclude the picture of the Prime Minister from the COVID-19 certificates being given to people in these 5 poll-bound states because of the Model Code of Conduct coming into force, an official source told PTI. That's all for now. To get this latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.